In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Google Finance data in Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. Whether you're tracking your personal investments or managing portfolio data for work, up-to-date information is crucial. Fortunately, Google Sheets makes it easy to keep your finance data fresh with just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google account because we'll be using Google Finance and Google Sheets, two powerful tools that work seamlessly together. First, head over to Google Finance. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click on that. This is where you'll need to choose the Google account you want to use. If you're like many of us, you might have more than one Google account, so make sure you select the one you wish to use for Google Finance. Once you've selected your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and type that in. Remember, security first. Make sure you're using a secure and private connection whenever you're entering passwords. After entering your password, click Next. This will bring you into your Google Finance account where you can view portfolios, stock prices, and market trends, among other things. Now switch gears and go to Google Sheets, where we'll bring this financial data to work for us. In case you're new to it, Google Sheets is a powerful spreadsheet program that runs in your browser. It's part of Google's suite of online productivity tools. Once you've opened Google Sheets, either open an existing spreadsheet where you want to pull in your finance data or start a new one. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the File menu at the top left corner of the screen and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options, but for now you're interested in the Settings option. Click on it. Doing so will bring up the Sheet Settings menu, a place where you can adjust various parameters to customize how your spreadsheet works. In the Settings menu, find the option labeled Calculation. This is where you can control how and when Google Sheets recalculates formulas. By default, Google Sheets updates its calculations only when changes are made to the sheet. However, for something like stock prices or financial data that changes by the minute, you'll want more frequent updates. Once you click on Calculation, you should see an option titled On Change. This is good for most cases, but we're going one step further. Click on Change and Every Minute. By selecting this, you're telling Google Sheets to refresh any data pulled in from Google Finance every minute, ensuring that your financial data remains as current as possible. After selecting On Change and Every Minute, don't forget to save your settings. Look for the Save Settings button, usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the Settings menu, and click on it. With that done, your Google Sheets will now update your Google Finance data every minute, keeping your financial information fresh and up to date. A couple of things to keep in mind. First, while setting your sheet to refresh every minute can be incredibly useful for tracking fast-moving financial data, it can also increase the load on your computer or device since it's working harder to pull in fresh data frequently. Second, the freshest data is only as accurate as Google Finance's latest update, so there might still be a slight lag compared to real-time data due to the nature of how data is collected and provided. And there you have it. You now know how to ensure your Google Finance data in Google Sheets is refreshed regularly, keeping you informed with the latest financial information without manually updating your spreadsheets. This can save you a tremendous amount of time and ensure that your financial analysis is based on the most current data available. Remember, staying informed with accurate, up-to-date information is key to making informed financial decisions, and with Google Sheets and Google Finance, you have powerful tools at your disposal to do just that. Happy investing! And here's to making the most informed financial decisions possible.